my brother. Me, I can't wait to go. It's not that the rest are not coming. If they're not ready for this meeting, let us go home. I have things to do at home.
Let us calm down. As it is, let me know waste your time. I thought over it very well before I decided to come and meet you. I feel it is high time. No, I know it is high time you all make me the chairman of this ghetto. Yes, because I cannot see anybody who is capable enough to do it like me. So that is why I called for this meeting.
Chief is enough. Now I understand why the others refuse to come. I'm sure they have heard. Well, I want to let you know that we respect you a lot. We have so much respect for you, and even we know your personality. But it is not possible. You are a stranger, or you are okay. You cannot just come from your place and come and be rolling over us here. No. If we want somebody among us, we will get, not a stranger.
Why can't I be the chief? Tell me, why can't I be? I am rich. I may go poto. So rich and famous. And I have all the connections that once I make one phone call, this
and yet you cannot be Awawua. It's not possible. Hey. At least excuse me. Now it has been confirmed. This is why others did not come. How will you just call this come and telling us this nonsense? You, a foreigner, just come here, want to come and be a chairman. Listen to me. It will not happen. Is that why you called for this meeting? I have better things to do in mind. Come with me. I'm going to quit zoo.
Get back to you. Don't be offended.
If we get back to me, it will not be fun like this. More.
Your face made me look cool.
Let's go. Oh,
my friend. Till you talk this morning. You won't kill yourself.
So you think he will just wake up and think he can do anything? The man that will just think and say he wants to be the chairman of this community. Are you aware that he's not even a Benin man? Or you aware? Or the wicked? No, now it's impossible.
That man is a dangerous man. Oh.
See, I don't care. See, don't worry. Don't worry. Not when I am still alive. He cannot ever be chairman in this community. My brother, don't worry. Yeah. As far as I still have breath in me, I'm still living. It will not happen. You could. Thank you.
Chief.
I called you here because I have a good business for you. Because I know they give birth to you here. You are like a son of the soil. I need to be the chairman of this area. And Empire. If I'm the chairman of this area, you'll be the lady of this area. That is, nobody will mess with you. I'm the one telling you. But it's not going to be easy, that's why I need you. So what do you have to say?
Well, Chief, the fact say you recognize me as the daughter of the soil. Oredo Pataki. I like you for that one, I appreciate you. But me, you no worry. Oh. You see anything we concern money and power. Now they're there for the see me. I know they lose guard for that one. Based on who I be for this ghetto. But so, Chief, make I ask you one question. I don't understand. What's so? What to make you just get interest with this our ghetto? Not this small ghetto. What to make you get interest? They hear me, make I hear you.
Empire, the empire.
Chief. Can it be that?
I am Chief Easy Wabunafo. You make a near one of my land. The other one a baby or not chiochi. Let me speak in English. I am that animal you shoot and it will smile. Empire.
Chief.
You see that place where they have that those palm trees just died?
Okay. Yes.
It's crude oil.
Chief! And nobody know.
Uwadiae.
Chief, just last your mans. Eh? For this matter where you just talk so eh? Okay, oh, Chief, in case you don't understand, what I mean say people wey go die for this village for this matter, you go too plenty.
Good. Good. And to support this word you just said, once I get back home, 1 million naira is coming to you.
Oh my God, Chief! You dey do Okani dey show! I trust you, no worry. Just relax, I did your back. I did loyal to you.
Hear from me.
Alright now.
Enjoy.
I did this cabana. See you later now. Okay.
Amadi Rowawa. Come. See, Amadi Motiwe. I called because I want to let you know that very soon you will leave this ghetto to a better place. Eh? I don't want you to live your life in this ghetto. This environment is not good for you. Emma.
If I'm not so sure I come up for the ghetto, I come up for the ghetto. If I come up for the ghetto, I do my friend to say, I come out live on.
Amadi, you see, this is what I'm talking about. You cannot even speak good English. Nowhere.
Speak over.
Amadi, see, I want you to go to school. So that you can become a doctor. Doctor no anyway.
If I never say that doctor won't no sweet me, but if I do the doctor now, I'm so doctor, because since you know they plan the doctor. But you plan the doctor quick now.
Amadi, I go quick planner, yeah?
But you plan the doctor quick, man come out, it's not come out, you push me come up for us.
I want something better for you. You speak English, you fall for zinc. I'm not saying, talk well. Go inside.
But you plan a quick.
I will. If I plan a quick, do English. Is it enough for whatever you call yourself? I want you to know that I am not moved. Now take your stupid money and get out of my house. You think you can buy my conscience? Let me tell you, you will never be chairman in this community. You will never rule this community, not when I am still alive. It will not happen.
I don't know why. Anywhere empire dey, blood dey always dey flow. Blood dey flow.
Where them where? Here, shameless thing.
Epa. By 9, you suppose to know say your reign don't come to pass. Amen. Matthew for this community. This ghetto, your leadership is over. Men now want to take over.
Oh boy, I could also. Yeah, take over. Where them move?
Edo.
Not for my name. Won't be a do. My name is Edo.
Sorry. Edo. Nah. I came to you the first time so that we would talk business. You took me out. I came again because nah, you see this matter on the ground. I must be. And now you are talking like this. Wait, Edo, right?
Edu.
Oh, Edo. It is said that the monkey that decides to patiently wait to see the eyes of the hunter would get a bullet.
Yes. That's terrible. It tough in mind. You go back nonsense.
As it is now, I understand all you have said. Iwo, Ejowa. It is a pity.
Sharp paper. What get you? I need to tell you.
I don't talk her. I talk her. Blood must flow.
Nah, man. This is the morning time. Let us go there. Have another business.
What did happen now?
Your papa.
My papa, what is my papa?
Some boys carry go.
Come here.
Your papa's.
My papa's. Where are for the happen? Where they go? Jesus. Daddy. Daddy. Oh. Hey. Hey.
Jesus.
Daddy. Jesus. Daddy. Hey.
Paper. Now jubilation period. Oh.
Yes, so. Woo!
It's okay.
Sharp.
Cheers. You like good wine? You selected a good wine.
Chief.
Yes.
Chief. Chief, my belly dey sweet me. I dey happy. You know why? Because we don't finally reach our goal. Congratulations to us, Chief.
Congratulations to me, not us. I am the chief, not you.
Chief, I don't understand some of the talk. Like, they joke, I do waiting. I don't understand.
Empire. You know what? I'm gonna break the news down for you. Sure you understand? But see, if I try to talk now, see your service, we don't need them again for this ghetto. Sure you understand?
I understand.
You try, you be loyal one, you get. You try.
This is what they call smart move in life. According to Ghetto, trust no one. Abi?
People, how you do your head do?
Alpha, Chief. I don't understand.
You there, Chris? I don't even know 12.
Calm down.
Wait.
Calm
Wait
down.
till you won't try to do so. See, Empire no be gospel singer o. Oyoba no. Aga so we do. Do so my do be ojo. You know the letter.
In case you don't know, me and Matt, she dey hear me.
It's enough. Sit.
Ipa.
Sit down. Empire.
Chief.
I don't know how I love you like this. Wait, let me ask you a question. You think I just open my two clear, I allow you carry your weapon enter my house, I know they prepared. You don't know the kind of love when I get for you. See, let me warn you. And let me just tell you. If you ever try this again, I will slowly kill you. I will kill you. And I will be giving you life. As I will cut your toes little by little. For this nonsense, eh? No.
Chief only me, Edo babe. How will this get one this?
You say when you bounce, you know that yeah.
Sharp, we'll see.
If I will see this small girl.
Cheers again.
But all you do, you do not be loud. See, if I am Matthew full time, I full chest. Anybody will want to come, me price, me and Matt.
It is good to be rich.
100 really bad.
Poverty and sin.
Speak over.
Magisi, I want you to go to school, so that you will become a doctor. Doctor no anyway.
Daddy now you still get some younger ones, so if yours is late, like me now, I don't get daddy, I don't get brother, I don't get sister, so maybe I want to go on. So if you see the good with yours, stay with them, so I can do it.
but 2 to 1. 2 to 1 now.
Mama, because of you.
Ah, yeah. Well.
Mama, because of you. Let me give you one.
Put big one. Don't give me the one where it's spoiled. Big 5 one.
Mama, I have one.
Ah, yeah, thank you.
You know, okay, my I'll give you fair because of you. Now, fair, I put you. Apa Musa, I don't show. Make home. You rot in jail! Officer, officer! Yo! Officer, Officer, calm down now. Officer, calm down. Officer, wait, officer. Get me now. What the best one? Officer, what am I killing? Mistake, officer, calm down. Officer, wait now.
So you know what talk?
Wait, who sent you to kill me? Okay, leave all this bloody with me. You understand? If you do not talk, you will die here. Who sent you? Who sent you?
It's okay. Larry. Who said that? Woman no tamata. How you take kill that boy? What happen when you kill that boy? What did that boy do when you kill him? I ask question.
Officer, I no kill her, na fact.
Na fact. How you take that?
You push her.
You push her. Do time.
Let me go this way. Yes, sir.
Come here, my brother. How for you? Don't kill yourself. Police work on the car.
We need to get these girls.
What did you get? You want to kill yourself for this? I don't guess. See my friend. So you see, say I'm going to run. You see, I'm not doing it. You get me? So I guess you there for us to kill. If you want to kill yourself for them,
kill yourself.
The security is paramount. We need to get this girl.
Let me see you will have nice. So you need to take my order.
So which report are you going to give at office?
Don't worry, no office. Forget that one. If you want to kill yourself, kill yourself.
No.
My colleague want me. Oh, government.
Alpha, if you move, I blow your head. If you look back, I'm sure all finished. Yeah. Babes, Alpha, I want to show. Don't move, you move.
Please, good.
Pull up, put the stage.
They want his things.
Oh,
You.
they want me.
What can you say? Now be the Edo Boyz.
Oh,
Edo Boyz.
Forget the way you see.
If you look back,
please. Oh,
Put the shoe. Go down. Go down.
put the shoe.
Guy, come down. Go down.
I work for the government.
Go down.
I work.
Put the shoe.
Say, give me the.
Pull up.
Go collect.
Put it.
Government
Oh,
property.
God, put your shirts. No, they put it, they laugh for you.
Government property.
Use
Can discuss everything. Put it.
Alaye, put your trousers up.
Pull up.
Yes. Up like that. Like that.
Like
Down.
Like that, man.
Okay, like that, John. Yeah. Okay, like that. Why you shout? Why you shout? That's so. Why you shout?
Give up for the yash. Why you shout?
Babe, calm down. Yeah.
And they make us they run.
Stand up. No. I want me you go meet your DPO, May you tell her say, we need guests, no get joy. And tell her say, oh yeah, I seen here, woman. You hear me? Oh yeah, move. Send back. Move. Not the back. Move.
Come.
That is G. They won't threaten us. Baby, you not see their life. Useless people. Very useless.
And I
was war. They won't come. They come. They do any when they don't say they well. Man, lose guard. When they lose guard.
They lost.
How far? Oh, they go.
But babe,
I'm a down.
what's supposed to be?
You get in my answer.
Man, for me, I relax. So, no fit go die because of police matter. See that was zoo. I dey tell her make we comot. You want call the phone gadi. Oh, zoo awagbon. Obi gboni yanda wa na tere yeke via ma. Ona wo so awo na kati hian. Ohun no bufo a ye ko iwa ji iwa ko wa je gbeme we ana. My also fit dey, you know understand? Ti go awon be ban even we dey be ani wa won hian. Because agbegbe wa. Yeah, ti gbegbe me wa ba me gbegbe police. Ogo ni total office kuripo. Me de gbegbe me wa. Beg my job myself here. Man, relax first of all.
Go. Papa, hey there.
What they pushing?
All those guys, they don't disarm me.
Okay, you disarm me where?
They collect my clothes. They collect everything, my phone.
Wait, man, I tell you something. Me no fair tell you say, make we dey go office. Make you not pursue other guests. You know what they be. Wait, let me tell you something, Me no follow them. I know the reason. They get me so. I know the reason. I did this Benin. You me yours.
You follow me.
See, let me tell you something. You see all these people make them fair break on, Now all this stubbornness when they talk to them, they want to hear. Now they kill them so. You see me so now tell last week like this so. They get me so. I they tell you say me no go. They
flog me.
In there. In the bed there. Get.
Criminal.
Stand up, please.
Modra. When sunu, as na see beat me this last night, na no sleep. Come on. Back. If not be prison where I be, officer.
But I mean like, wait. If nobody say they can't be now, I will deal with you again.
Who is that? Mr. Do.
Come on, stand up.
Yeah, people not go one, people go one. But
Mr. Where they go now?
You like the governor, what, thing or you know where what bones away. You can't buy prisoner, you buy prisoner. Wow. But then, my what, Shema was no. This one had to build well.
You 2 days language for this guy. My blow down. Come, stand up.
Well, say, babe,
they eat food.
like, get you see this man too, you know.
If you come here again, if we arrest you again, you go collect.
If you like, go kill.
Oh yeah,
I will killer. A killer, a jungle master.
Like, see,
okay, total. Mama, total.
You're welcome. Once again, you are highly welcome. I want you to relax yourself, calm your nerves, feel at home. Everything you need has been settled. The documents, the papers, they are settled. You're a free man. So you just need to move freely and work for me. Okay?
Chief, thank you very much for bringing me out from that prison. Chief, honestly, indeed, now I see the reason why you become the Okarile of this our ghetto.
Oh, wow.
Chief, you be good person. You be good man. I think say my life don't finish. Thank you very much for bringing me out from that prison. Chief, honestly, indeed, now I see the reason why you become the Okarile of this our ghetto.
Oh, wow.
Chief, you be good person. You be good man. I think say my life don't finish for that prison. I don't even believe say me and Uwadiae young born will come out for that prison. Chief, I suffer. See me now, see my hand, see. I can't just surprise say among people who do that prison, and only me you come and say you want to work with me. See, Chief, I save you till I die. Thank you very much, Chief. See, anybody make point for your matter, will tell them, see, no swab who. A blood like the pee.
I like your spirit. You know, the way you talked motivated me the more. And I'm encouraged. I want you to keep this up. And you enjoy yourself. Ask him, he's aware, he knows, he can tell you more. I am. You will enjoy yourself. And mark you'll be paid salary. So, let's enjoy ourselves. Take him to his room.
You're welcome, bro. Welcome to the room. Everywhere good, you're 100. I'm gonna show you to your. I'm gonna take you. What did happen?
Alpha, we want to see that man maybe say me, he did that left hand side.
Call that fat thing come out for us.
Alpha, come at you. You see the slow.
You want come out, you see the slow. You see the made the call, you see the slow.
Yeah.
God. You never start to talk, you want the crack on. You the dig guy. Now what they did for you?
I just say you get mad very well. But you don't hear that story where they say Matt with the talk. You get where you reach, your cut and come out.
Me want talk, Smolly, calm down. Allow me talk. Why did you stop me? What gave you that audacity to stop me?
See, when I not forget to say me Matt.
Easy! For the first say we don't observe you. We don't observe you for years. You know me say we the mates. You know me say we don't wear. You know me say we stupid. Show him the talent.
Me tell her.
Or you have even wear J. Onyemiri of Igbo. What do I know that have every man? Who born you?
They don't know. Let me tell them now.
See, I let you know. You know, if you tell they talk.
Eze, I tell you before say me, I know they like you. You know why? Because shoot they pay me for my leg. See, be like see this so what you want to do for this ghetto? For me go day
Double.
How you feel am?
They say na pikin. Me no know him mama boyfriend, Now they call her brother. They yarn me. You they get my lens, Abi. You don't understand me.
Oh, if I this man they yarn no.
Get lap there. I did it.
It is said that just because the lion and the hyena eat meat in the forest does not make them human beings together. I say you are prepared. Especially you.
I see all this now 2020 naira juju.
Say make I tell you one thing. Audition na 5K. Now who get that the runner?
No man.
Oh yeah, now see una say una sharp. Oh yeah, na mo see am.
Afa carry that your 12 come on here. All those one are 12 now.
Eze, una mind no go touch ground for this ghetto. Oga gwipe. E go kwa e. She dey get me so. You
Smaller. If you get time for now, na mind good day. Afa, no disembark.
Eze. Eze.
More your freestyle this one.
But you go tell una. For this ghetto, men Matt. I say men Matt.
Chief, what did they suck now? You guys come make us day here. I don't day here for some time now. You know they talk anything.
Amadi.
Chief. Chief, man, pick the carry the gun.
Yes. Amadi.
Chief, but this is how you dey give me gun. Hey, I don't understand. Wait till I want to go use.
Amadi.
Chief.
I want Striker down. I want him to stop existing.
Striker. Chief, how many striker will get here? I don't understand. I'm not striker there outside though.
Amadi, you keep saying you're strong, yes or no?
Chief, now me be Amadi and Yagbon. We be here do pataki here.
Drop Striker. I believe you. This is your first mission.
Oh, Chief, which crime striker can commit like this?
Nice question. Nice question.
Striker.
I would answer you the question. Yes or no? Are there two captains in a boat?
Chief.
You want Striker to drop you? Are you game or not?
Chief. I go run am.
That is good. But Amadi, remember, Striker is smart. So, be smarter. I need to go to the club. I have something better to do there.
But wait, I know if you carry out this assignment today now. Why Chief go want kiss Striker? Why? With this Striker?
say you still get mad when you see me, you just still show.
The reason why you carry me from Okokuta business, so it's sharp. What do you do update me? I want to
know. Striker, I want to ask you one question. So you know, say even the Holy Book talk and say there is a time to be born.
And there's a time to die.
Banga, why in here? And that's the Holy Book talk and say there is a time to cry and there is a time to celebrate.
See, Amadi, you don't see the price on the way. Marshal me flow.
I want you understand, say nothing lasts forever. Everything gets expiring date. Na me be Uwadiae Yagbon.
I know.
I'm away no who can work on vada. So man, no macaroon no ya going. No swap bill who na blood na ITDP. Striker, I want to show you something. Striker.
No worry. Amadi, I mean, they carry 12 for. You fuck up. They not tell you say, man, mad. Yeah, you get juju. Amadi. Oh. Tepa. Oh.
Amadi, that be my name. Striker, I dey very sorry. Now, Chief, next time your death warrant. Sorry, bro.
You come up for prison, now you're away, boy. You gonna walk for me, for your own father's land. If you wait, I'm not gonna enemy. Oh, you don't even
See, I'm gonna tell you before, say, man, I'm gonna let shoe. You know why? Because shoe they pay me for my leg. My inner chest that they tell me, say, man, this cannot be Benin person. Because I see that they shame for you. I the PV and I the shame for you.
See, ma tell you something. My name be Uwadiae Yagbon. Asoro.
Amadi.
Oriri.
And my name is Raymond.
Castle.
And my name be that.
Make I ask you now one simple question. You know what happened? Uwadiae. Where Uwadiae? Me a gira ne hoye. Where una papa dey? When they say my own father go there, kid or come. Where una dey? For this ghetto, where una dey? Where una fathers dey? When they kill my papa, years ago when they kill my beloved father, Uwadiae me a Isigbera he. Because of that reason, I go prison. I go prison. My father will promise me life, but I'm not gonna get that good life. Will promise me again. I enter prison. Now I come outside now. You try to find me joy. Now they worry me. See, my turn. I want to know. I know the fair tribal war. Show you the guess so. Whether Eze Bunafo or another person or Igbo man or another person they rule this ghetto, it not concern me. But I want to let this one know to una be say, Mona tell una father, una mother, everybody for this ghetto say anybody will no lawyer to Eze Bunafo, you go collect.
Error, bien moins.
No, no, say, I'm away no work and work cover that. So I make it get big lip to cover that mouth.
Error, bien moins.
O bona work am go put her na head na dey put am.
No mind your car vertical. Ah, just see our brother. Amadi way.
The thing they pay me, say, man, now the same man, they want to take leadership for one. I they work follow.
Fuck up. Hi. My boss on the be so Make everybody metete. My matter be like Wogeko, I dey gum everywhere. I go mad them edge to edge, step by step, and I go see pack the information come. I know I dey be. You go right. I me castle. You go right, you sharp. Person wey dance bad, wey play bad beats. Now bad dance steps. Now they dance for long. Any I be, you go be am.
Igwero.
Yeah, that's all. Give me money. Who dey sacrifice no dey gree say dey get. Yeah, give me money.
Yeah, give me money. Yeah, give me money.
Posse me ho na imagine we. No e work yan gbo e. Imagine we.
Later, what is later dinner? Afa. Hey, you man. Oriri, I be now.
After the bowling just now, I see Empire.
Empire? What he play?
Empire relate to me, say, ma'am. He want me to say, we will come together.
Empire. You see the food when this guy wants serve so? Pepper dey for this food. Asoro, you don't see normally me I get ulcer. Ulcer and pepper, they are two no they work out together.
You know, say no they let you. Because you they pepper me for my leg. But this food me this guy wants serve so afa. He wear shoe.
Oriri.
And my name is ceremony be that.
You know get you go big pass. This one a sharp deal and very good offer. Even if pepper did this food, we go chop am. She dey get me so. We go chop am.
If Empire make me the wear shoe, at the end they call focus up. A blood overstain no.
Really? We go chop am.
Don't try am o. I say make you no try am. Alpha. Where the money? I said bring out the money.
You dey play?
I dey talk to you. Where you drop the money? I don't understand why you dey smile.
Hey. So you get mine. Lock my smally. Say you want carry color. So you don't gather mine like that, Abi. Fear don't take your eye again. Empire, Abi. Fear don't take your eye again, Abi.
Make I tell you something. The first day man they stand a peace. Don't me say woman of stand peace.
Not be all woman be woman. I use my God to beg you.
This security area is becoming too much. Eh? All these people don't terrorize the whole area. Eh? Wait, see them. People.
Or I use beg to God you. If this kind of thing happen again, I will finish you and your small granite.
What are you looking for? Now you attack. Where are you going? Don't freeze!
It's the police!
Yeah.
Hey, where you? Come down, make I see your face. You no fear. Where I go, we go. Where we? Oh my God, where they? Oh my God. Can you be this? See your face.
What go for ne? Even know what say now. What be the meaning of all this word be? Una dey block Amadi way. Una dey block Chief Eze Buna for messenger. I wanna know the repercussion. Is it for Agbeno Keko Day or Gbeno Keko here? As I look on her soul, when I pass to for me make a pass.
Babes, fire.
Okay. Area say. Area say. See, now. Oh, I'm Agbon say. I go let you know today say. Now, son, they control the body.
Amadi.
That's why.
You have to kill it. I beg. Hey, so you know what you talk.
I don't go fit, Mama.
Hey, so
Mama, I don't go fit.
What's in the cap now? What's in the cap?
Guy, why you rush?
I know that's what's in the cap.
Guy, calm down. Why you rush?
Una wait. Hey, so you have to understand one thing. Amadi na do be our enemy. He don't go join Chief Ezebunafo. Where we say you know me and you know what they saw. He don't go join now. They fight us. So, my dear, you have to rethink. You have to change your mind. Forget about Amadi. You have to take your revenge. I mean, okay, you don't know kill your papa. Now you kill your papa.
Mama, I don't go fit leave her.
I don't understand though. What's in the cap? I don't understand.
Guy, why they calm down? Why they?
I don't calm down. What's in the cap?
Why I go lose hope? A Benny does it fire. Tell me why me I go look cold. I know be newcomer. Don't tell me for the game, bro.
See, Mama, my Leona know one thing, From today henceforth, you see all those Edo Boyz. Mona not pay any bills, give them again, any dues. Even near that collect in here, I don't want to say give them any money again. I'm ready to talk. You dey hear me so, Mama? Just tell your fellow market women. Say Amadi say Chief Ezebunafo talk say na he dey rule this ghetto. May they not try and give any Edo Boyz money. Waga damwe. Ha, who go there go see there oh. Now Chief Ezebunafo na be the okarele of this community, this ghetto who dey so. So now they give order. Tell these women may they try me first. Tell them say I say may they try me. No who you go see that there. Oh sis. They use how they disturb me say that me I wouldn't hear. If they bomb me forget to me say make I know the fair try about war. What that Benin Igbo Yoruba not concern me. I know the fair try about war. You not concern me concern.
Amadi Ayagbo.
Baba.
Amadi, why are you doing this?
Baba, why me a pima be this?
Yes. Amadi, why are you doing this? Why are you joining the enemies to fight against your own community? Amadi, why are you joining my killers to destroy what I have built? Amadi, why are you joining Ezebunafo, a stranger or Riovi, to come and scatter the hood that gave you birth? Kenuna Juhun can talk. Amadi, what has come over you? Whatever they have given you, you need to put it out. And Amadi, let me warn you. If you don't change and stop this nonsense of fighting your own people because of a stranger, because of his wealth and greed, Amadi, you will face doom.
Hey, Baba, I know the fair trap. Baba. Oh. Okay, now water. Let my pima come here us now. My pima, we don't dance this how many years ago? Wait. Is it for? Ki my pima? Oh, I said this soon. My enemy is at work. This could be my enemy. So they want call you my father face. Take come. Make I not fulfill my mission for this girl to us. Soon. Hello, what did happen? Collect the money. Or could they keep mama go better? Collect the money.
On I dey be. I dey update be that. You know my Matthias. I dey close to Chief Ezebuna for well. So I go careful now all the legacy test. I'll give them the necessary information. On I dey go step by step. No mistakes.
Smaller! What you go do be say you go open your eye well. Make the thing no go inside. But one thing I go assure you be say, Chief Ezebuna for he go collect some hot. For this land, all the pain when you don't cause for this ghetto, he head, he body, he go collect them. You know they feel them.
I feel you die.
See, I know they like to speak English. I know they like shoe. You know why? Shoe they pay me for my body. And chief now be the shoe me they pay us. You know say when we say night don't reach, grass go change to human being.
No more.
And you no go feel no black fowl or black goat for inside soup.
Oh, wuru.
But it be like this and for my inner chest they tell me say chief don't price. Anybody price they go collect.
No more.
I read matter be that sha. But now they be. Talk less, I do more. I shall speak louder than voice. Benin Boyz the yarn. With the verse they will collect them.
Odigbo! Eho nyimiri! We are doing kagele. Oh, I'm in na. Esunu!
Now no fear proof. So long as we dey alive and we dey active. Edo Boyz the verse. No man, the red.
See, make I tell you. Too much of cap, you know the food basket now.
Never.
Who will take action? So that we talk action right.
Man,
Who the matter?
don't be like. Talk less and do more.
Benny does it fire. Tell me why me I go look cold. I know be newcomer. He don't tell me for the game.
Black Edo babes.
We have no case to settle.
Black Edo babes.
We have no case to settle.
Black Edo babes.
We have no case to settle.
Like this now, I want make una know say we don't get new suicide for our midst. And from today, our name will be Esosa. As it be like this now, babes. We need to go team up with Edo guys so that we bring down Chief Ezebuna for. Now they get me clear.
Yes.
They get me clear. Now, but we don't forget the main target. Oh, the main target now. After we don't bring down Chief Ezebuna for, we go start to break down Edo Boyz one by
After the
one.
order.
Sure you understand?
Yes,
because now we get this time.
Yes, now.
Manya will now.
Now our home.
Here we must see you.
I will get some.
Oh yeah, now where could they go?
I will not believe say I go see you again. I swear down. As I take move come up for that ghetto, I don't believe say I go come back, come meet you again. Maybe it's too sweet.
Even if I don't think I will see you again. I'm sorry after many years. I don't think I will see you again.
You know what, babe? That ghetto no good for you.
Why?
I want me you come up for that ghetto. Like I just want me you leave those Edo babes.
Why?
I not just know why, but my man not the. See, babe, now maybe I'm a deal. As you don't come, so I don't want me you leave my hands. I need to protect you with everything you want to get.
But I'm not feeling this big now, just like that.
See, I understand. You will think over it. So just sleep over it. But meanwhile, you know they go back there today. Show you the gate. Because like this now, I still want another one.
See, Amadi, boys the best. Edo Boyz eyes the red, and they plan chief downfall. You know as informant when me be, me they gather everything, me they magnet. I also make a call cap you. Edo Boyz the best. On night they be, but no be on to your matter shall. But they say if you know come up body, you go realize say, na you dey. You dey get as they be so. So I just say me I call cap you. As my senior man where you be for the ghetto. Because say me na see small boy for the hood. And na my work be this. Say me I your call let you know. May you mount your guard. Cause men they vessel.
Castle.
My name be that.
You know what's in it? You know why I like you? Although you pay me say I know they around where you grow sharp. But you know why I like you, be say you be correct informant. For this Benin Movie would be. Me no be a dororo. Otedo, ekedo aya hoeme. For this ghetto. Now my fellow Benin brothers want use me to shine. Well, thank you for this information. You dey get. But anyhow it dey be. I tell them before say I know the first tribal war. All those my fellow Benin brothers, if they like, may they take us tribal war. Only man can anything. Now my decision I make. So may they make their own jejeje. But if they decide to be my enemy, for this ghetto, no who, or we are me who, or me who, go see that die.
I hear you, boss.
What you do for me now? Anything where they sup, they cap me. Chief go the year. As long say you dey with us. Enjoy my surplus. But inside there before you mat. So man give you something may you take day.
Boss! Ije! Chem! Oh mo, I think count this one finish so.
You don't need to count now 200,000 there. Use and day.
Boss, information!
More go the phone.
Boss, information for you.
So they mat. Now me they want to share for this year. It's alright.
Amadi.
Chief.
Amadi.
Chief is the bona for one.
I brought you out of the prison because of your ruggedity. But without that, I brought you to protect my interests. Protect me. I don't like that boy you are working with. I don't seem to know his name. I don't like it. I don't like him. I don't understand what you have to... What is his name,
Chief, you mean Castle.
Oh, Castle.
Chief, you see that boy Castle, you know. Chief, I know say you don't know Benin when I speak. But I mean be say that boy Castle, God bless him with wisdom. That boy is wisdom filled. Chief, you see what in there? That boy they clear me the intake. Says to wait my fellow Edo brothers for this ghetto. They plan. Say man, they plan to eliminate you. Say you come from nowhere, take ghetto for their hand. Say so they want to retaliate back. Want collect ghetto back based on saying their property. And if it green. They don't wear IOVC we say IOVia son. I don't know say the fair tribal war. Whether you be Benin or you be Igbo or anything you be. Now my own interest like after. I'm not interested in fighting tribal war, Chief. I'm loyal.
Amadi, they are your brothers. With what you just said now, how do you want me to trust you?
Chief Eze. I don't wear. Chief, I don't wear. Usomega so hobo. No yan go to. What I mean is that you see those boys so blame them day when they bury my father. My own papa era no gi, era ni yayo. Blame the day when they send that man go journey of no return. The only man will promise me life. They kill him. Because of that reason, I found myself inside prison. I stay prison. Where my two brothers dey? None of them come outside. If not be you, we can save me. I foresee the roast, the rot for prison yard today. For that reason, I pledge my loyalty. And my two brothers, wait, pour for your matter. Fear for. Every will cut down and shall sleeve. A lawyer chief.
But that's good. You know, I will add extra 200,000 to the salary we agreed.
Chief, respect, sir.
Let's go.
Clear road for the chief. For one. Your carrier of this great ghetto. Respect, sir.
Castle.
Boss.
Sharp. You try. But Castle.
Boss.
I dey smell foul play. Why be like say anything we yarn for this hood? I dey hear am outside.
What's that one? No man now. Even the walls get here. 3, the breeze they carry matter. You supposed to. This one not touch anywhere. That no matter.
Castle, walls get here.
Yes.
Breeze they carry information. But you know see the talk say, give what belongs to Caesar. That information na my information. Since breeze don't decide to dey carry and they go as you talk now be say I go soon track that breeze. Make I catch him.
But you supposed to understand the word is spiritual. You supposed that no, this one not be my thing.
So you take this one. You take this one. You take it. Later update me for that matter. So breeze. So now you dey carry my information. Now I be say now you. Now be my next target.
So chief, by the way the matter be with that, I will say the plan and I'll tell you so. If you come from different angles, so you just got match your guy day where. You understand? The way the matter your baby that.
What's your name again?
Castle.
Why are you telling me this? Because I know you are a Benin man.
Sure.
And now,
sure.
Why are you betraying your people and giving me this information?
So I'm not a betrayer. Now when money day, now I day. I no get friend, I no get brother. Rabas are my team.
Okay. Fine. I appreciate the information.
Alright.
And I will need more. Okay? Always reach out to me and give me more information. Meanwhile,
Chief.
For transport.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you can,
this one many. I appreciate more information.
Yes.
I can't get to nobody there.
How are you?
Eze. What you come for my day?
No. I was on my own minding my business. You came and you paid me a visit and you left. So I decided to pay you a visit one-on-one.
Eze Bunafo.
So
after you shit for church, after all the havoc you don't commit for this land, you carry your 2 legs inside my den. Me, Asoro, how do you do anyway? Eze Bunafo na gently oh. See movement. Old man, I want to play children game. Your man knows such man. Eze Bunafo. Abono benuzo benerue. Bena musa gege. Eda musa mimi. Abono benuzo. Benerue. Eze bunafo. Ewo lese. Imakata ma bena musa gege, ria musa mimi. Oga gwipe egwo kwa e. I tell you say basketball no be dwarf game. Person when chop egg not get business with toothpick. I tell you say old age not be wisdom. You not believe abi. Your mind no go touch ground. Ezami sakeke. Il a mis à mimi. On va en descendant. Aïe de nos caca qui ont dit ça. On a vu madame. Ah, plus coutant, you my brothers. And don't babes. I bet you the call now. On a bien pour no money now. On a le poids ça on do pepe. On a order for babes.
Oh yeah.
What did I do for my day? What did I do for my day? Why little bien going? Why go motor book? I see.
Oh, your pa. We don't say we don't fuck up. We don't say we don't fuck up. Any be we now.
Ah, this is the
Eh?
Wait. This is the pay me. You know what? I don't like should they pay me for my body. For us to be like this, no, we need to forgive them.
You see,
they are our own.
As my house come your friend, that you only chop all of my head come out, head in my mind. But now the how you dey beat your pikin and you take draw on your body. The case thing one and see when I tell the parrot for now, I do me myself don't sing. I go God forgive you.
I don't feel like this. I don't feel don't fuck up. They don't lose God with get to. I don't feel don't fuck up. But I just like this. More you forgive them.
See, on any grace where they no maintain that disgrace. Although this matter, no one yes una cause to camelio. They never see black power for night so. As una call this mercy. Oh maintain. I know they like fish.
I know.
I be like alligator pepper. If you chop me, I go hurt you for mouth, hurt you for yansh. Mo better. No man.
Mo just fish that there.
Mo just man fish all these girls now.
When I say sorry, say me stay away from that guy. So now we're
So mama, like this now. Amadi don't throw a soil overboard. He don't throw a soil overboard.
Ah, he pay me. I beg, like this. Oh, just 1 minute silence. Just for a soil. May our perfect soul rest in peace. So pay me.
Wanka!
Bastard. Tu m'as laissé. Tu m'as laissé. Quel ancestors will you reach to? I have so many you have so
Amadi, this when people say they disappear, they reappear. Wait this up.
Oriri.
Now my name is ceremony be that.
Oriri.
Now my name is ceremony be that.
Oriri. Unubetie. How many times I call you? Today, now your judgment day. Hey now, how am I going to say?
I bet tell you before say I know they like shoe. Shoe they pay me for my inner chest. You they feel see, you may be Benin boy, come join out with Igbo man, they fight us, they fight your blood. But inner chest they tell me say you not be real Benin boy.
Oriri, I tell you this one. If I go send you, go meet your ancestors. I'm not in the fair tribal war. Whether you be Igbo, Yoruba, any tribe you be, whether you the rule, you no concern me. But today, as you don't choose to stand against your Kayele one of this ghetto, Igbinedion, you don't be my enemy. Rest in peace.
I bet tell you before say I know they like shoe. Shoe they pay me for my body. My inner chest they tell me say you not be Benin boy. But any I be, I go send you to your papa. Any cow. Oh, now God will punish that native doctor me do charm for you.
Listen, let me tell you. Not to waste that bullet again. Hey, are you be a son? Are you see?
So Amadi, you prepare charm because of me. Amadi, do your work. Now pikin me that my boyfriend, now they call him uncle. Now pikin, you know my boyfriend, now they call him uncle. Do your work. Do your worst.
When you reach there, tell Enika or say, "Ara sorry do, Edo Dion, Edo a sorry man, Edo Dion."
To the preach. Do your worst.
Oh! Tell your Enika or say, "Ama do not the fair tribal."
Amadi, I beg. Amadi, no do this now, I beg. Amadi, me na your own, I beg. Amadi, I beg now, I beg. Amadi, I beg.
Now maybe Amadi and Yagbon. I know the fat tribal war.
I know.
I know the fat community war. Like this now, Chief don't sign your dates.
Ah no, Amadi not do one.
Not be me want kill you, now Chief want kill you.
Amadi, hey.
No swallow who. Now blood now it the pain.
Hey. Amadi, I beg. Amadi, no. Amadi, I beg now. I beg not do that. I beg not do that. I beg not do that. Amadi, I me this one. Amadi, na me, oh. Amadi, na me.
Thank you, Papa.
So all this year, I dey work with my enemy. I dey work with the man wey destroy my life. I dey work with the man wey frustrate me. I don't know. Me no dey do. Otona, I don't be a but because of this man, I lose God my people. I lose God them because of this man. I lose God my other people. My pa, my pa pay me. My pa pay me. Qu'est-ce que c'est pour la femme? Qui my pa? My pa my baby now you kill. The only pa wey promise me good life. I remember that time the doctor be say I go go town, go become doctor. I go come up for this ghetto. I go come dey become doctor. But you say, it's well out for my hand. So Baba.
It is time for you to revenge my death.
Baba, I lose God. I fuck up, Baba. Baba, forgive me.
I still have one more assignment, and that is enough must go down.
He go collect.
He has to know that his time is up. I owe you to
You are so awesome, Baba.
But it's not ordinary. He has a lot of things working for him. But unfortunately,
No swab your cuckoo. Beside Oyasa. Sorry, do a deal. Do a sorrow.
So after Chief Ezebu na phone don use you finish. low and na low something. Go carry your two leg in trouble. What kind of time they call the cap waiting.
Amadi, you don't fuck up. Amadi, you fuck up. Ah, you no try, you no try, you try.
Asoro. Normally, Muhammadian Yagbon. Ìyẹn ìkàbọ̀ wà wà bí I fuck up few times. But he said, me no know say Chief Ezebuna for na he dey responsible for the death of my father. Ezebuna for na he kill my papa. See, I don't realize myself. That's why I come here today. Because of Ezebuna for, I don't kill many people. I turn against my Edo people. I turn against Una with my Edo brothers. I forget the fact say Agasore do Edo Odion, Edo Gasorowa, Edo Odion. I kill my Edo brothers because of Chief Ezebuna for. Castle go down. My father go down. Even a soul. The only woman wey dey after my heart go down. See, for all the pain wey Ezebuna for don make me go through for this ghetto, I don come meet una as my brother so na me. Make we dey together. Make we fight this fight.
Now you dey talk, now you come back to life. Now you dey talk what you want to hear.
So Amadi, what you bring on the table?
The matter be say first, una forgive me. Not be say I no fit run this matter alone. Don't be say I no fit take care of Ezebuna for both. I don offend una, so I need to calm. See na, I take boost for now, but because of Ezebuna for, he usually break everybody down, cause pain for people for this ghetto. See, I want make we bring Eze down. Then make we start to repair this ghetto again, back to the way it be before. But before then, brother know say, for you to bring Ezebuna for down, Ezebuna for be like tree, and every tree get roots. You got dig the root of Ezebuna for, and now me go fit dig that root to bring that down.
Amadi, Agasore do. Edo Odion. Edo ka be so woman. Edo Odion. Yara gbe no rieko. Ira gbe no kekode. Paka okori aya so liyan lewu na. Me na soro.
I said before, my Edo brothers, they are more so far.
Oh, 2-1. It's not fair, but it's nice. Ah, don't worry, stay in the car. Don't need to come out. Huh? So how's it going to look like?
Ezebuna for, you surprised to see this thing, Abi?
Who are you? How did you get this thing?
Chief! So after you kill my papa finish, you still make me work for you. Because of you, I turn against my own Edo people for this ghetto. Because of you, I kill all my Edo people one after the other. Chief, my papa will promise me to become doctor. My great father Edo. You kill her because of your greedy interest. Then you still manipulate me to work under you. Chief, I don't know. For some days now, say now you buy my papa. So I just program your dates. And I know say you be tree. For you to break down any tree, you must break down the root. I discovered and say now your roots be this. That's why I get this state first.
Chief, rest in peace.
Chief, you never die finish, oh. Your death still dey come. But before I go kill you finish, Asoro, God deliver another point. Empire.
Amadi, what did I stop now? What be this one now?
Empire. You follow there, come back my own palace. This year I don't know. And also for the death of a soul, the love of my life. I suppose Busha you part by part.
No man.
But I don't want to waste my time.
Time is precious.
Because as I see you soon, you not be anything. When you reach there, tell your ancestors, say, Amadi no be fair about war. I sorry do. The door Dion. Do a soroma. The door Dion. No do good.
Amadi.
Rest in pieces.
And as for you, Chief, for the death of a soul.
Amadi.
For the death of my pa. My papa, you kill. You not gonna make heaven.
No.
Me nasoro, me rororo. Me na hiwo gwalapa. Me rororo. Iriwa ya fu. Obono pe me ugbe. Obiani ugbe. Iwadi gbo kan ya lawo, ogulapa. Emi ya ni me nasoro, na bi agbe lo ni ko agbe lo ke kodi. Igbe fu na ekini ji.
Asoro,
Amadi,
I feel your pain. Maybe Amadi and Abon. 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, you go complete. Me and you will come out for this prison yard. But you see, is it enough for enough to come out from grave?
No, I do.
Is it enough for enough to come outside from inside grave again? You know what is my happiness? We are able to unite the ghetto again. I was so able to do it. Anywhere my father did, Daddy, may your gentle soul continue to rest in peace. And also for these lives I took, rest in peace. Don't take our revenge, Lord. Lord is thicker than
why I go lose you, but Benin doesn't fire. Tell me why me I know Benin comer. You don't tell me for the game, bro. So street boys know me if you don't.
It's your boy, Igbinedion Matthew, MC Rocket, CEO Rocket for Entertainment. We just finished this shooting titled Edo Boyz. Here I'm with my beloved father. He's a father of all nations. So Daddy, I beg, let me talk to my audience some more, I beg.
Well, wonderful people out there, if you've never actually subscribed to Rocket Movies, better do so because you are missing a lot. A lot of good movies on the channel, very many good movies on the channel. And this one coming out now, Edo Boyz, wow. It's something different, unique and hot, that you'll be proud that it's been done right here in your city. I'm sure a lot of people will be jealous and that, why didn't you call it any other name? But like they always say, Edo don't carry last. Benin not be Lagos. This is Edo Boyz and it's hot. So please subscribe always to
Rocket World Entertainment. God bless you.
As I walk, I pray. Make my hustle pay. Hey, I know one delay. Bless my hustle pay, Baba. All days I pray. Make my hustle pay. pass so hot, there as them they run for me. Enemies say it's all like best way they drink Gary. As of me anywhere from Benin to Uwadiae. I know be an any but I the mother any beat. I feel make even your girlfriend say you kicking notice. Tell them that I'm a rapper with a man. I keep the pieces and I'm keeping the container. Where go? I smoke in my banner. Cause if you do, I go smoke you like marijuana. Tell Auntie Rihanna to come and be my Madonna. Cause let's she carry for body blow like I'm Madonna. I'm leading on my crew like I'm King in a Jordan. I came from the street and I grew from the ghetto. I never reached 2, man, I don't start to hustle. I go by the name of the P, aka that boy and beat the fear.